Imagine possessing the skills to excel in multiple fields, seamlessly navigating from technology to art, science to entrepreneurship. Welcome to the world of the polymath, where your potential knows no bounds. Stay with us as we unveil 3 skill paths designed to unlock your polymath potential, providing you with the roadmap to master diverse disciplines. Ready to transform your life and expand your horizons? Let's dive in. In the digital age, mastering the virtual world is key to becoming a true polymath. Our first skill path, digital mastery, encompasses coding, digital marketing, and data science. Why should you choose this path? Because it's the foundation of our modern world, influencing every industry and offering limitless opportunities. Start with coding. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build a strong foundation in web development. Progress to Python, mastering data science and machine learning. Parallelly, dive into digital marketing, understanding SEO, content creation, and social media strategies. Here's your roadmap. First, tackle web development basics. Take courses in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript over 3 months, and then build your first website in 1 month. Next, move on to intermediate programming and data science. Learn Python and SQL over 6 months, and work on data science projects, including visualization and machine learning for another 6 months. Finally, achieve digital marketing proficiency, study SEO, social media, and content marketing for 4 months, and then create and execute a digital marketing campaign over 2 months. Digital mastery equips you with the skills to create, analyze, and market in the digital realm, making you a versatile asset in any field. Creativity is the soul of a polymath. Our second skill path, creative synthesis, integrates visual arts, music, and writing. This path nurtures your creative spirit, allowing you to express and innovate across multiple mediums. Begin with visual arts. Explore drawing, painting, and digital art. Simultaneously, pick up an instrument or delve into music production. Enhance your storytelling skills through writing, whether it's fiction, poetry, or nonfiction. Here's the roadmap for creative synthesis. Start with visual arts exploration. Learn drawing and painting techniques over 3 months, get to grips with digital art software in 2 months, and create a portfolio of diverse artworks in 2 months. Next, embark on a musical journey. Learn an instrument or music production basics over 4 months, and compose original pieces in 3 months. Finally, master writing mastery. Take creative writing courses for 3 months and write and publish short stories or articles in another 3 months. Creative synthesis empowers you to merge art, music, and writing, fostering innovation and unique perspectives. Entrepreneurship is the ultimate polymath pursuit. Our third skill path, entrepreneurial expertise, combines business acumen, strategic thinking, and leadership. It prepares you to turn ideas into reality, driving impact and innovation. Start with the basics of business. Learn accounting, finance, and marketing principles. Develop your strategic thinking through case studies and simulations. Cultivate leadership skills by managing projects and teams. First, in business fundamentals, you'll delve into accounting, finance, and marketing courses for 4 months, followed by 2 months of real-world business simulations. Next, in strategic development, spend 3 months each on strategic planning and analysis and case studies of successful entrepreneurs. Finally, in leadership skills, focus on project management and team leadership and communication, each for 3 months. Entrepreneurial expertise equips you with the knowledge and skills to lead, innovate, and succeed in any venture. Embrace the polymath within you. Choose your path, or better yet, combine them to create a unique tapestry of skills. The journey to becoming a polymath is challenging but immensely rewarding. Remember, your potential is limitless. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to continue this transformative journey with us.